Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how you can solve the Rubik's Cube and with only one, yes that's right, one algorithm. Now the Rubik's Cube is a very tough puzzle to learn for a beginner. However, with this method, you'll be able to do it really fast with only one algorithm. So I'm gonna show you an alg which will work for any scramble. Let me just pull up a scramble. Okay. So there we go. This is a scramble. Now the first thing we want to do is hold it with the yellow on like this. Then you want to do the following move just once. As you can see, it worked. So yeah, that's the easiest method of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Just one algorithm and this all works. No, there are a few other videos, but they're all fake. This is the real one. So yeah, thanks for watching. And give it a thumbs up if it helped you or didn't help you. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next